lecturer in metallurgy, OSME, Keonjhar. Today's topic is electric arc furnace. We now what is electric arc furnace? So electric arc furnace is a steel making furnace. The steel scrap is heated and melted by the heat of electric arcs striking between the electrode and metal bar. The electric arc furnace ranges in size from small unit approximately 1 ton up to 400 ton capacity. And industrial arc furnace heat up to 1800 degrees Celsius. The main task of a modern electric arc furnace convert into solid raw material to liquid raw steel, and the electric furnace which is used for production both low alloy and high alloy steel. Now I am discuss construction. So construction is a furnace which consists of spherical head at the bottom, cylindrical shape, and swinging water cooled dome shape. And the rope has 3 holes of consumable graphite electrodes held by clamping mechanism. The clamping mechanism provides independent lifting and lowering the each electrode. This is the diagram that is cylindrical shape which it get having. We collected the both slag as well as purity, the molten metal as well as slag. So slag is totally covered to the molten metal. What about the molten metal is to be begin collected. It is totally having the slag, not only one type of area and one type of place. It is totally in the all corner. So firstly the slag is to be removed. After that the molten metal is to be removed. This electrode which is made of graphite or carbon. This electrode placed in such a manner. The top of the dome is having 3 holes. The electrode having in a clamping mechanism. The electrodes connected with the furnace when the current is passed. When the switch is on, the electrode is to get vibrated, and when the raw materials are taken to the electrode, that is scrap is totally get melted. After that, the all slag as well as molten metal, because here the total mechanism is tilting and total body is tilting. It is get not a inclined shape or any other thing. The total machine is tilting, and so first the of slag is to be removed. After that molten metal is to be removed. The furnace is split into 3 sections: cell, cap, and probe. Cell, which is consist of side wall and lowering the valve, and here which is consist of refractory that lines lower the valve, and rope which may be refractory line or water cooled and can be shaped as a section of sphere or a conical section. The electric arc furnace operates as a different melting process. That is, first one is furnace charging, second one is melting, third one is refining, fourth one is tapping, and fifth is furnace turnaround. Now I am discuss furnace charging. The first step is charging. The rope and electrodes are raised to swinging to the side of the furnace and allow to the molten metal to be charged. When the charging is complete, the rope and electrodes swing back into place over the furnace. The rope is lowered and then the electrodes is lowered and strike and act onto the charged material. The heat produced by electrode is primarily on volume dependent on density of charge. Melting. So during the period of melting the metal, the electrodes are moved down onto the scrap. The scrap is produced between electrode and metal. Arc is shielded by electrodes and voltage is increased for speeding of melting process. This process, carbon, silicon, manganese get oxidized. Here, lower current is required for a large production. Now I am going to discuss refining. The refining rates, the electric arc furnace, which have traditionally involved the removal of the elements, that is phosphorus, sulfur, and aluminum, silicon, manganese, carbon from the steel. Dissolved gases in hydrogen and nitrogen recognized as a constant. These refining reactions are dependent on the availability of the oxygen. Oxygen was placed at the end of meltdown, lower the carbon content, the desired level of the tapping. Thus, the oxygen will be preferentially react with these elements to form oxide, which float out of the into lead. So now I am going to discuss tapping. Once the charged material has been melted, the tap hole of the furnace is opened, the furnace is tilted, and the molten metal is to be poured into the ladle. So next is furnace turnaround. It is the period of after completion of the tapping until the furnace is discharging the next heat. During the period of electrode,